In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to batch deposit in Xero step by step. If you're receiving multiple customer payments and want to group them into a single bank deposit instead of recording them one by one, this is the fastest and cleanest way to do it. Batch depositing keeps your bank reconciliation simple and ensures your records match what actually hits your bank account. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From here, go to the top menu and click on Sales. In the drop-down, select Invoices. This will take you to your full list of sales invoices. Next, click on the Awaiting Payment tab. This section shows all invoices that have been created but not yet fully paid. These are the invoices you'll typically include in a batch deposit once you've received the money. Now, look through the list and locate the invoices that were paid together and deposited into your bank at the same time. For example, if you took several cash payments on the same day and deposited them together at the bank, you'll want to group those exact invoices. Select the checkbox next to each invoice you want to include in the batch deposit. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct invoices. The total of these invoices should match the total amount that was deposited into your bank account. Once you've selected all the relevant invoices, go to the top of the list and click the Deposit button. This is where Xero allows you to group those payments into a single bank deposit transaction. Now you'll need to fill in a few important details. First is the date field. Enter the exact date that you deposited the money at the bank. This is important for accurate bank reconciliation later. Next, choose the bank account. Select the account where the money was actually deposited. For most businesses, this will be your main business checking account. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you have multiple bank accounts connected to Xero. Then enter a reference. This is optional but highly recommended. Add something clear and descriptive like Monday cash deposit, weekend card payments, or March 1 batch deposit. This makes it much easier to identify the transaction later when reviewing reports or reconciling your bank feed. After confirming everything looks correct, click Deposit. Xero will now group those selected invoices into one single deposit transaction in your chosen bank account. Once this is done, when your bank feed imports the actual deposit from your bank, you'll be able to quickly match it to this grouped transaction. That means faster reconciliation and cleaner bookkeeping. And that's it. That's how you batch deposit in Xero. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time and prevent reconciliation headaches, especially if you regularly deposit multiple payments together. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero guides made simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.